Hi guys, girls, welcome to YouTube channel Nazaretos. Today I'm just showing you I'll be changing oil on my Honda Accord. It's a 2.4 4-cylinder 2012 Honda Accord VTEC engine, and I'm going to show you. This is the oil I'm going to use. 0W20 full synthetic oil, and I have been using the Fram Ultra Synthetic oil filter, which is good for about 10,000 miles. It actually says 15,000, but I do like every 10,000 mile oil changes. Got my to drain the oil, I got the basin, and also I got the cross washers, because I'm going to change the washer on the bolt. Anyway, first thing first, here's what you do. Put the car in park, pull the handbrake, and a good idea is to put something under the rear tire. Open the hood, and as you see here on the cap, it says 0W20 oil. New models, that's what it says. It's so tight, you can't even open it. There you go. This is my cap. 0W20. First thing first, make sure you have the car secure. I got this type of jack, 2 tons capacity jack. Paid for I think like 30 bucks, maybe. I think close to 30 bucks. Pretty good jack. 2 tons, more than enough. And I also got stands. Let me show you. I got these. Second. I got these things. I use these things. Jack stands. Also 2 tons. I got 2 of them. Just to be safe. Anyway. Next step, lift the car and take the 14mm socket and open the drain the plug. Okay, so I lifted the vehicle, put it on the jack stand on one side, and also I did it on the other side. And just a precaution, you also have like a jack stand, the trolley jack. I have it also supporting the car, just to be safe, you know. And make sure you put it like on this lip right here. There's like a metal lip, because you don't want to put it on the part where the fender is, otherwise it's gonna bend your part right here. So make sure when you lift up the car, you put it on a special lip. Anyway, next step is we're gonna get to that bolt, which is in 2012 Accord. It's all the way right here. Right there. Yep, we're gonna take this off. There's a filter. Filter is right here. Feels like a little bit warm still. Anyway, I'm gonna get my socket. I got my oiled drain, and I'm gonna take this. Alright, I got my 14mm. I'm gonna put it right here. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Let's go. Right. I'm gonna open the plug. Oil is gonna be going all over the place. And let it drain. Gonna drain all of it. Alright, so the remaining oil is still dripping. This oil pan here, and now I'm gonna try to take this filter off. I don't think it's gonna go easy by hand because I feel like I over tightened that filter. So I have these big pliers and I'm gonna use them. Obviously I can't do it with one hand filming and one hand doing this, so I have to set the camera on the side. Okay, so it wasn't that bad. I loosened the filter, unscrew it, that's still a lot of oil. Alright, let it all leak out. I don't want to drop this filter in there because I want to clean it up, and the next episode I'm going to cut this filter open and I'm going to show you actually the quality of this filter is pretty good. I'll show you what's inside, how it's made. But after 10,000 miles, it's strong. No problems with this filter. And the top of the filter, I had to use the big pliers, the one right there, to break it open. Break it open. All right. Set this on the side. Open this again to drip. Let the last drop get out of there. All right, good. And I'm gonna replace this washer. So this is the plug that I use. This is a magnetic plug. I bought it on eBay. It says M14 1.5, and this was our old washer. See, it's not good. So I picked them up. I picked this up at Honda dealer for like 50 cents a piece. But when I walk in there, they're like, "Yeah, you can have it free." I'm like, okay. Put this washer on here, and this is the magnet. It's actually a pretty strong magnet. Let me show you this. Let me show you this. I gotta find a piece of metal. See? This is how this, how strong the magnet is. So if you have any pieces of metal in your engine, any how do you call it? You know what I mean? Any metallic dirt, this thing will pick it up. Because look, boom. And this is pretty heavy, heavy bolt. So I spent on this like I think like $6. So all I'm gonna do, just gonna clean it, and the filter. This is our new filter. Open this up. Identical filter. XG7317 Ultra Synthetic. That's a good filter. Now before I'm gonna do anything, I'm gonna open oil and put like on this rubber seal some oil. So open my oil. So the washer is ready. Just gotta clean it. Clean the tip of it. Oh, there was some dust. Small particles. Good thing I bought this little plug, because collected all the metal particles in the engine. Alright, so what I'm going to do, just put a finger in there, just like this, and spread the oil all around, like this. Done. Next thing what we do, we just take a towel, wipe everything off here. Take my oil bolt, put it in there, make sure you get the washer. Now I'm going to use the torque wrench. You don't have to, but Honda manual states that it's 33 pounds of torque. So that's what I'm going to do. Got my torque wrench right here. Supposed to click. That's it. Done. You don't want to over tighten it. And I have it set for 33. So I heard the first click. That's it. Don't go too much. Actually, some of you might laugh like, why is this guy using a torque wrench? But it says specific pounds per square inch. I mean, it says like, just if you have a torque wrench, why not use it? You know, do it proper way. You know, but you can do it by hand. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my oil filter. Make sure there's a gasket there. It's all. Put some oil on the edges, and don't go nuts with this thing. Whoa. Still leaking out more. Cool. I didn't expect that. Looks pretty clean. Let's do this. Clean that just in case there's like old pieces of rubber there or whatever. Ah, there you go. Looks pretty clean. I'm gonna take my oil filter. Gasket sits nice and even. There's no garbage on there. And hand tighten. Was nice and easy. That should be it. Gonna move my oil pan out of the way. Good. Not too crazy. Clean everything up. I only have 45,000 miles on this thing, on this car, so there's no oil leaks, nothing. I shouldn't expect any. Clean everything nicely, and we're done. We're done with this bottom part. Let's move to the top. Alright, the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to take my oil. I'm going to add 4.4 quarts of oil in there. This is our clean oil. I put a mark right here, 4.4 quarts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.4 quarts. Keep going. Let's see. We're done about 2 quarts. I like Penn's oil. It's very good oil, very good for the engine, very clean. And this one is made from natural gas. This one made from natural gas, synthetic oil. All right, I'm done about 3.5. Let's see. A lot of quart to go. Half a quart. So I set my bottle down and I check how much is left in the bottle. It's going to be exactly 4.4 quarts. Checking. Now what I do, I set my bottle on a stable and I check up to this level. Up to this level. There should be 4.4 quarts right there. Sure enough, look at this. It's right at that level, 4.4. And that's it. Take the cap. Put the cap on. That's how you do oil change on 2012 Honda Accord. The next step I'm going to do after, I'm going to show you what's inside this filter, because a lot of people have questions as, is frame filter good or is it good? Well, there are different quality, different I would say different versions of frame, different models. This is the full synthetic, up to 15,000 miles, and I tell you what, I've been using this for almost forever. It's pretty good. I'm just gonna cut it open for you guys later. Next step, gotta reset the check engine, the light. Once you put the oil, the last thing, make sure the car is at level. Put the dipstick back. First wipe it off. Put it back. And check the oil level between these two dots. See, there's like oil right there between the two dots. It's actually oil levels like right there, just a little bit over the top dot. But it's clean, it's nice, that's what we want. Perfect. We're done with an oil change. This is how we reset this light. Hold this and hold it. It's gonna start blinking. Keep holding it. Now it's blinking. I'm still holding this thing. Release and press it, like release it once and hold it again. It should reset to 100% oil life. Now it's oil life says 100%. And now the computer knows that we have a new oil in the engine. And this is my mileage. Trip A, I usually reset to 0. Trip B, I also reset to 0. And my trip B, that's how many miles I calculate, how many miles I've driven. Yeah, that's how you do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Some of you might be laughing, saying, yeah, I know how to do this, but this video is just sharing for those people who want to do the oil change themselves. It's very easy. You save a lot of money. Go to like Walmart, buy all the necessary stuff that you need, the oil, the filter, and it's very easy. Just don't overfill it. All right. Thank you for watching Nazareto's channel. See you again.